The data abstraction. The primary goal of any database management system, nothing but DBMS, is to store the data in efficient manner. The hiding of complexity is known as data abstraction. In data abstraction, there are three levels in one is physical level, logical level, and is view level. So first is view level. In view level, it is also called as the top level, external level. In this level, user does not need the data schema to be detailed, but it user only concerned about the data which is written back to the view level from the logical level and physical levels. The view level deals with the user and access. It is the top level of the data abstraction. Here in this view level, here the user cannot do any modifications on the database. So next is physical level. So physical level is the lowest level of data abstraction. It deals with how a data to be stored in the database. It is also responsible for allocating the space to the data. Physical storage involves at this level. Next is logical level. Logical level basically describes about the what data to be actually stored in the database, the whole design of the database such as relationship among the data, schema of the data and etc. This entire things comes under this level. Here this level contains simple data structures, but whenever we come to the physical level, it consists of complex data structures. So next our topic is about data independence. So in independence, data independence means that upper levels are not affected by making changes or modifications in the lower level or lower levels of any schema. Here we are using a three schema or three structure schema like view level, logical data independence and physical independence. So in this, first is physical data independency, which means it is the ability to make the modification in physical schema without effect in the logical schema. So basically it is the ability to make modification in physical schema without effect in the logical schema. It means we can change the physical schema without changes in external schema, which is view and logical schema of the database. So example for physical data independence is here if we want to change or upgrade the storage system, suppose if we want to replace the hardware with another software device, which will not affect the logical schema. So next is logical data independency. The logical data independency is nothing but if user want to change the data at logical level, it should not affect the external levels, which is view level. In logical data independence, modifications are necessary whenever logical structure of database is altered. The example for the logical data independence is when money market are added to the banking system. Already the banking system is existence. We are adding the money market to the existing banking system. By adding this, the external level should not affect by change in logical level. It will not cause the application program to be rewritten. That's all about the logical abstraction and logical independence.